Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, north suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a really nice 1956 Corvette. I'll tell you what, boy, Chevy made some nice improvements in 56. Give you all the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. And today we are going to talk about our latest arrival, a 1956 Corvette. I'll tell you what, Chevrolet finally made the decision after 55. They were kind of questioning if they were going to move forward with the Corvettes, and boy, I'll tell you what, aren't we glad they did. 56 is a really nice example. Now you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish, because we're going to do a walk around, we're going to do a cold start, give you a lot more details of this really nice car. Now you can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website where we'll have the information on this car, pricing, and all that stuff as well, plus close to 100 additional cars that we currently have in inventory at Ellingson's, ranging from cars from the 1920s all the way up into the 1970s beyond. And our website being www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. So let's get into the crux of the matter here. 1956, kind of a changeover, body style change from the 53, 4, and 5s. 1956 really made, like I said, some really incredible improvements. They're much more swoopy, I guess is a word I want to use. They don't have the basket headlights anymore. They've got beautiful chrome accented bumpers, beautiful color options. Now 1956, they gave you a lot more choices. You know, in 53, you could only have polo white. Well, in 1956, you could have lots of different color combinations with different color combination coves. And this is the Onyx Black with the gray silver coves. Really stands out. I mean, to me, with the wide white walls, and these are actually the really good wide white walls in that they are radial tires. Very, very nice improvement on any of these old cars, just for drivability, handling, going down the road, and whatnot. But in 1956, you could no longer get the 6-cylinder motor. You only had two engine options for the 265 V8. You could have the single 4-barrel one or the performance-orientated 265 at the 225 horse with the 2 4-barrels. This is the one with the 2 4-barrels. Take a look at that engine compartment. It is detailed to the nth degree. The fellow who did the restoration on this car was a well-known Corvette restorer, and he did an incredibly good job. I can look at lots of the little details under the hood that really tell you it was done exceptionally well, from the fuel filter that's rounded on the top for the performance ones. You got the original Harrison radiator emblem number on the AC on the fuel pump. All the air cleaners are correct. Everything is done the way this car came from the factory in 1956. I mean, I love the little scoops. I mean, that's just one of those extra little things that they had that just really gives it a really neat look. Dual exhaust, of course, as well, going out the back. Beautiful interior in this car. I'll tell you what, this is all brand new, all correct, with the correct interior colors, the carpet. Now, the transmission choices you had in 1956 were power glide and 3-speed manual, and the manual, that being the standard transmission for these cars. So this one happens to have the 3-speed manual, which to me is a little more performance orientated. Taking a look at the dash and everything about the dash, all very, very correct. 140 mile an hour speedometer. Looks like it has the Wonder Bar radio, I mean the tachometer in the middle of the dash, plus all the gauges, and this one even has the heat controls as well. Now in 1956, they did away with the side curtains from the 55, so you actually have roll-up windows, and this car has the hardtop that goes with this car, black hardtop. Very, very nice as well. Again, that's why you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish. You'll see all the details and pictures and everything that we have on this particular car. I love the mirror in the middle of the dash. It gets a little getting used to, because usually we always think I'm on the mirror, but once you get used to it, just absolutely fine. You know, the single headlights in the front, just, you know, that was reminiscence from 56, 57. Then, of course, they went to the duals in 58. So it is just one of those really changes that really made the car look more sporty, more European, more what, you know, the Corvette kind of was setting its own precedence at this time. Now, you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like. Leave us a comment or subscribe. We appreciate it very much. You will find all the information on this car, our current inventory, and our inventory that we have sold over the years. Lots of stuff to peruse. If you're looking on the internet and you're a car person, you just enjoy that, check out those sites. But if you're looking to have one of those, you know, C1 Corvettes, one of the really, I mean, the great color combination. I love the full hubcaps with the spinner in the middle. That is absolutely correct stuff for 1956. You know, interior wise, like I said, no one's cobbled it up. It's really done the way it was supposed to be. 6,000 RPM tachometer right there in the middle of the dash. I don't know if I would quite push it that far today, but hey, back in the day, this was kind of a hot rod. And Chevrolet made good decisions to keep this car going. Now, if you're like me, you probably want to come on down to Ellingson's in person. Love to have you come down. If you want to make sure this is exactly the way it comes across in the videos. Make sure you fit in the car. That's always one of those things that I have to concern myself with some of these old cars. And you know, it's just something that you can come on down and do. Now, we are open to the general public from Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you want to come down, take a look at it in person, by golly, we're more than happy to have you come to Ellingson. So there you go, 1956 Corvette convertible. I mean, what beats a Corvette, I tell you. It's just one of those really, really cool cars. I love the color combo. It's just stellar to me. Well, thank you for visiting Ellingson Motorcars, and make sure to visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. And we thank you again for watching our videos and appreciate your interest. See you next time.